Next up, commanding intel for White Lotus. We need to start a secure intel contract, complete it, and kill a commander. It's super simple. Press M and head across to any green phone with a question mark folder inside of it. Picking that up will start the correct mission, and we'll go from there. So picking up this item, we've got a new area marked on the map with another folder inside of it. We'll need to head across there, and our mission will be there as well. So what we need to do is clear out the area of enemies and pick up whatever item is there. So in this building I don't see much yet. Heading up to the next floor. Hearing a noise, you can see we've found a computer and picked up a hard drive. Now another point is marked and we need to extract this. So we'll navigate across there, climb up the tower and upload the data. It'll take a few seconds to upload. You will need to stay up here more than likely. And when it's done, we get XP and cash. So what exactly is a commander? Well, while you're playing the game randomly, a boss helicopter will spawn in, and if you're close by enough, you'll get a notification saying Commander Helo nearby. Now, usually, as far as I understand, if you rack up tons of cash or a squad near you racks up tons of cash, then this helicopter will spawn in, give you a whole bunch of warnings to clear out of the area, and eventually start shooting at you. Now, the weird thing about this is, if you find a building to hide in, they sort of get a bit confused about how to attack you. The helicopter's bullets do very easily penetrate walls. However, if you find a stronghold and you shoot through windows that are walled off or have bars in front of them, it's very difficult for the helicopter to even see you, and oftentimes it'll just hang around without even engaging at all, but it'll still fly around the area, making your job incredibly easy. Now, I've managed to summon it myself by completing a ton of nuclear collection missions, racking up enough cash, and eventually it'll just pop up. Only one of these appears per game, so if you miss it, you'll need to search for a new one. One of the easiest ways to get rid of a commander is by finding yourself a room, usually a stronghold or something along the likes, where we can shoot through the windows but they're obscured from sight. This way the AI won't shoot at us at all, and it's incredibly easy to take down the helicopter, especially with a sniper. Here I've barely used a full magazine of just purely sniper bullets, and I've already pretty much got rid of it. There we go. The helicopter's making strange noises. That means it's pretty much done for. Spinning around, it's still got a bit of life left in it. There we go. With a red hit marker, the plane is now coming down. Just like that, you'll have the mission completed. However, hitting M, I don't have it equipped. Great. Anyways, finding our way to the supply drop dropped by them, we'll get some pretty good loot. It'll take a hot minute to capture. Especially if it's in water, you'll probably want to land on top of it or go in the direction that it's traveling. There we go. Sweet. So nothing too crazy, but it's just part of the mission. There we go, finding a simple building to hide in once again. Even this one's not that difficult. I'm able to get rid of it with a few magazines. That's pretty much it. It's definitely not as tough as it appears. There we go. Taking it down. Very, very easy. Just like that, it's landed on my roof even. And the commanding intel mission is now complete. It's asking me to scavenge it, but I'm not entirely too sure how I'm supposed to get up there. Anyways, capturing the loot. I can then extract, and we're pretty much done. So anyways, thank you all for watching. My name's been taken over here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!